Hello and welcome to Learn It Like Aliens. My name is Alan Goyce. Today we are going to learn about the placement of an armband stencil. Armband tattoos look simple, however they are not. The most difficult part about them is the stencil. It takes a lot of time and practice to place an armband stencil perfectly. So today I am going to show you an easy and effective way of placing an armband stencil. Let's get started. Before we move on to the placement, it is very important to understand the size of your client's arm. I use a bending ruler. If you don't have a bending ruler, what you can do is you can cut a piece of paper, wrap it around the client's forearm, just to mark the diameter of it, and then you can measure it by using any kind of ruler. Which wraps around the client's arm and gives me the exact diameter of it. I already have the armband stencil ready. I've chosen a simple design so that it is easy for you to understand. The diameter of the client's forearm is 10 inches. So the size of my armband stencil is 11 inches in width and 1.5 inches in height. It is very important to maintain at least 1 inch extra margin at the end of your stencil so that it is easy to connect it. So now I'm going to cut the design properly using scissors and make sure that I don't leave any extra margins around it. Now I'm going to start drawing a freehand line on the forearm, which is going to be the starting point of my armband. I am using a long pointed ball pen to do it. Do not use markers or thick pointed pens, as we want our line to be very thin and precise. While lining, you will have to make sure that there are no bumps in your line. The line has to be crisp and clean. The line cannot be overlapped with multiple lines. This will create confusion while placing the stencil. Initially, it might be difficult for you to draw a straight line as the surface of the forearm is not flat. In that case, I recommend to practice lining on paper daily for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This exercise will help you stabilize your hand movement while lining on real skin. I am almost done with the line here. As you can see, the line is very neat and clean. Now we are ready to apply the stencil. Before I place the stencil, I always lighten my line a bit by using sterlium, so that the stencil is prominently visible compared to the line that I just drew. One more important thing before we move to the next step. I make multiple cuts on my stencil paper so that it wraps around the forearm easily. Do not make deep cuts as it will be very hard to handle the paper during the placement. Once this is done, let's apply some LOX gel on the skin and spread it evenly. Always wear gloves during this process. To know more about the stencil placement in detail, you can watch my tutorial called How to Place a Tattoo Stencil. Now let's start applying the stencil before the skin gets dry. So the topmost line of our armband design has to be aligned with the freehand line. Start by placing one end carefully and don't let the other end touch the skin yet. You can adjust client's forearm as per your convenience while you place it. Do not rush on this. Take your time. Follow the line till the end.